Hi everybody, I wanted to take a quick moment to show you a little trick that will let you see your Spark article and the Spark activity questions side by side. The article that I'm asking you to read today is called Changing the World for Women. In step number 2, you have the opportunity to read the article. As always, be sure to pay attention to the vocabulary words at the beginning. When you are finished reading the article and ready to start the activity, go ahead and click activity. But what happens now is the article disappeared. You can see the questions, but you can't see the article. A lot of people find it helpful to have the article and these questions side by side. So to do that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and right here it says refer to article. And when you click it, the article pops up. We have the questions are over here. What I like to do is on the activity, the questions, I like to minimize the screen up here in the top right corner, and then put the article and the questions side by side. So that's just a little trick for today, and I hope it helps.